Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got 10-minute cardio workout routine that's going to help you to lose belly fat. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you with Alpha-Liin weight loss supplement, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. But before we dive into the workout, let's make sure we're properly warmed up. Warming up is crucial to prevent injury and get the most out of your workout. We'll start with some light cardio exercises for 2 minutes. Number 1, jumping jacks. Number 2, high knees. Number 3, butt kicks. Number 4, mountain climbers. Our 10-minute cardio workout consists of 5 exercises, each performed for 45 seconds with a 15-second rest in between. You can do this. Number 1, jump squats. Jumping squats are top-notch high-intensity interval training exercises that work really well if weight loss is what you are looking for. It is known to take your heart rate high and is considered to be better cardio than running, as it burns more calories. Number 2, high-intensity running in place. Running can help you burn belly fat and lose weight. It helps your body burn calories for a few hours after you're done. Plus, it can help curb cravings and is generally great for good health. Number 3, burpees to lose belly fat. It is important to work as many muscles as possible. It is important to remember that the real target is not belly fat, but the causes like slow metabolism behind it. Burpees is an exercise that requires you to go into a push-up position and then stand back up. Number 4, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a part of HIIT training and don't impact your joints and knees negatively. They work both as cardio and muscle endurance exercises at the same time. They work on multiple body parts like arms, back, shoulder, core, glutes, and legs simultaneously. Number 5, jumping jacks. This cardio workout also helps reduce body fat by burning more calories and creating a negative energy balance in the body. Its high intensity reduces not only belly fat but also overall body weight. After you've completed all 3 rounds, it's crucial to cool down properly to aid in recovery and reduce muscle soreness. Number 1, quad stretch. Number 2, standing forward fold. Number 3, child's pose. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Alpha-Liin weight loss supplement. Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like